Hey everyone, welcome back to TV Fix. Today we're starting a new tutorial. How to reset TV audio and picture settings on Roku TV. Press Home. Scroll to Settings and press OK. Scroll to System and press OK. Scroll to Advanced System Settings and press OK. Scroll to Factory Reset and press OK. Select Reset TV Audio/Picture Settings and press the Play/Pause button 3 times to reset all TV picture and audio settings to their original default values. Note: Roku account and installed channels are not affected. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching TV Fix.